In this video, I want to show you an algorithm to solve the corners on the last layer of the X-cube. First, find your two solved corners. You'll know they're solved because they share a side sticker, and then that means the other two are going to need to change places. You might have a diagonal corner swap, but if you have that, execute the algorithm I'm about to show you once to get it so that you have two solved corners that are adjacent to one another. Next, twist this layer so that your adjacent corners are on a big face, so either on the white face or turn it around and on this face. And then execute this algorithm. This algorithm that I'm about to show you is called a commutator, so maybe you'll be able to figure out why this works, but I'll also do it again and explain why it works. Here's the algorithm. Two solved corners in front, the ones that need to switch in back. Bring the back layer counterclockwise. Next, turn this extended layer counterclockwise. Now we're going to do a slice move. We're going to bring this right layer down, keeping this extended layer fixed. And now we're going to bring the bottom layer counterclockwise, and then bring the right layer up. And then turn the top layer, extended layer clockwise, bring the right layer back down, bring the bottom down layer back over, and then do another slice move to bring it back up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this blue bar. If you didn't do a slice move, you're going to have it like down here. So you want to take this blue bar over to the back layer and then put it up. And then you'll see that that has solved all the corners. Now let me show you why that works. So here's why that works. I've got my two solved corners here and the ones that need to switch in back. The algorithm that I just did, what it does is it's actually a 3 cycle. It moves this back corner over here, and then this one goes here, and then this one goes here. And now the first two moves that I do, which is this one, gets this piece to a different layer. It gets it into a different layer. So these are setup moves. This is a setup move number 1. And then this one is the second setup move. And what this does is it prepares this layer to this slot to receive this piece that we put down over here. So I bring this piece over here, and what this allows me to do is when I do this slice move, I can take this piece that I brought down from the first move and move it into that slot, just like that, see? And then you bring it up to the top layer. So that's the A part of the commutator, if you know that. And then here's the B part. You twist that top layer clockwise. And then you bring this piece into the slot. And then you undo the A part. So you go back down, bring it back over, and then put it back up. See? And then that moved that corner into that place. Now we just have to undo the setup moves, and that would require us to do this and then that. So it's a straightforward commutator, and you use this as a storage layer. It's kind of cool. Like I said, if you had diagonal ones that need to switch, you just have to do this twice. Okay, so I've got a diagonal case. This corner is solved and this corner is solved. I gotta get these to diagonal swap. I actually prefer to do the algorithm from tutorial part 3 because I can do this in one step, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to do this twice just so you can see it again. We're going to bring this, and I don't care about the orientation or where I'm starting any of these pieces. I'm pretty confident it'll just work. I'm going to bring this piece down and then the top layer over. Those are my setup moves. Now I'm going to execute the A part. That would be the slice move. Insert this piece and bring it up. Now I've got this piece done. Here's my B move. Turn that top layer. Now I'm going to undo that first part. So this back down, this back over, this back up. And then I'm going to undo my setup moves. So that would be this one backwards and then this one backwards. So now you'll see that I have two solved corner pieces. See how these two are solved? And these two need to switch. And now I can just do the algorithm again. So my two solved ones are in front. I'm going to do a 3 cycle. This one's going to come here. This is going to come here. So I'm going to bring this back layer counterclockwise, and then top layer counterclockwise. And now I'm going to insert this piece there. I'm going to twist this layer, bring this back down, undo those last 3 moves, and then undo my setup moves from the beginning. And that has solved all the corners. I'm going to do a video on the edges now and show you how to do most cases for the edges.